Hello, Edible Globe 16 again on another edition of Making Videos. I still have the Bell's palsy, which is this side of my face not working. So tonight, I'm here to show you this video of all the plushes that I want from the Glitch Production store. And Glitch Productions is an independent studio based in Sydney, Australia, and it makes awesome web series with only two I've seen and I really love. They're The Amazing Digital Circus and Murder Drones, and I've been wanting merch of their show since like a couple months ago, so I'm here to show you what I would like. So I'm filming my tablet because I can't do screen recording with this tablet. So I'm gonna show you where you can find in the Glitch Production store plushes. And if you scroll down, you can see right here. So I have this pencil so I can point to what I would like. And also, here are the prices in case you want to know. Yeah, this seems like overpriced somehow. So I would like JC Jensen J plush, Pomni plush, Jax plush. Go down here. Probably made Jax plush. That's like possible. Bubble plush, Kane plush, Kinger plush, Queenie plush, Ragatha plush. Not that one. I'm not interested in that. Actually, this is like possible. Gangle plush. I actually saw this one yesterday at Hot Topic at the mall. And for this Jax plush, I actually saw one like a couple months ago at the track, my high school track. Zubul plush, Rivet plush, Kaufmal plush, Gummy Goo plush. For these, I'm not interested. I'll take a Beach Pomni plush. But here's a con. These products can be sold out. You never know. So we'll have to go fast. N plush. This is from Murder Drones. It says it right here. I would like Uzi plush, V plush, J plush. I guess I'll go with Sin. I'm not really a Sin fan. I'll go with Doll. Possibly Can. I don't know what it is. Probably Norian Heart plushes. I'll go with Lizzie. I'll go with Tad. That is sold out. That is sold out. However, I saw this at GameStop yesterday. And then we got all of this from Knights of Guinevere and Gameoverse and Gaslight District. Oh yeah, I would like some keychain plushes. All of these. No, not Angel. Well, that looks like it's everything. So, just so you know, it can be out of stock someday, and they are overpriced. They look like they're like $10, you know? So, that was all right there. And I hope to get them someday because they're on my biggest wish list. Yeah, I'm very greedy. I I'll admit I have an impossible wish list. I'll have to wait till I get a job so I can buy these. But when you have a job, you have important things to buy, like a car, like electrical bill and stuff. You know, like house paying. I want money taken down. Why can't we just have something else? Why didn't like the whole world thought of something to buy? Just not using money, like because if anyone is seeing this video and telling you guys the list of all my stuff that I want, like all the plushes, I'm just warning you, they might go out someday, so you guys might have to do something. But next month is my birthday. 3 weeks from today is my birthday. I'm gonna be 17. I know, I look like a 12-year-old. Look at me. I can't smile. So, because I'm warning you guys, if I don't get these plushes in time, I would get furious. Okay, I think I'm going a little too far right now. But if anyone is selling their, like anyone in the yard sale around here is selling their digital circus or murder drone stuff, I'll take it. Because I'm like one of the biggest fans of digital circus and murder drones in this town. So next month, I am going to the Destiny USA Mall, which is in Syracuse. And they have a lot of stores in that mall. 6 stories. They do have a Hot Topic, and Hot Topic can sell the amazing digital circus and murder drones merch. Anyway, I think that's all for today. Like and subscribe, comment down below what videos I should do next. And let me know if you have any digital circus or murder drones merch. We'll see you next time.